Now you can create an elegant fireplace focal point with a built-in look, but no gas lines or venting. The Allusion Platinum Electric Fireplace creates that relaxing ambiance year-round, with or without heat. Take in the big viewing area with our 4-flame and 14 LED ember bed colors you can easily change. For our 50-inch model, choose the optional Boyd Build-Out Kit. It's a simple addition for an installed look. You can install it yourself with no construction needed. The Boyd Kit comes as a pre-finished modern farmhouse white shiplap or ready-to-finish model you can paint yourself. You can also insert the fireplace into a wall for a flush, clean finish, or hang it from a wall with our mounting kit. Whichever you choose, it's safe to put your TV or artwork right above the fireplace. The Allusion Platinum. Fire made simple.